Radical Skincare Extreme Repair is a nutrient-rich anti-aging moisture cream for use morning and night. Extreme moisture is perfect for mature or dry skin or dry/cold conditions. With 11 antioxidants and multitasking ingredients that have been shown to help combat dark spots, even skin tone, and increase hydration, this formula has been clinically proven to help boost your skin's firmness, radiance, and elasticity, while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To protect the skin barrier, we have also included our proprietary probiotic complex. Enjoy deep hydration that you can feel throughout the day and night. Radical Skincare is paraben-free, clinically proven, designed for all skin types, and works for even the most sensitive skin. The best of the best in antioxidants and anti-aging ingredients that uses Trilacil, our proprietary breakthrough technology, to keep it potent and powerful to deliver results. Driven by the passion of the Edlich sisters and their father, Dr. Richard F. Edlich MD PhD, one of America's leading plastic surgeons and skin healing specialists, Radical Skincare delivers more antioxidant potency than leading prestige brands, and maximum levels of anti-aging skincare ingredients. Our commitment is that every person loves their skin and their life. Impressive blend of 18 multi-active ingredients for extreme repair and deep hydration, which combats skin discoloration, increase firmness and brighten skin tone and texture, and is great for those exposed to extreme environmental and climate conditions. Extreme Repair provides intense hydration, helps to even skin tone while reducing the signs of aging for dry skin or extreme conditions. This multi-action cream comes even the most sensitive skin and delivers radical results. Apply day and night. On cleansed skin, for maximum anti-aging efficacy, follow with advanced peptide for a dynamic power duo that fights against 17 causes of aging. Trilacil technology enables maximum concentration of actives for maximum delivery to all skin types and keeps the antioxidant potency and performance in the cream to deliver maximum benefits and high-quality results. Quickly, for more info and special discounts, please click the link below.